This box has been through a war. Look at this. Look at this. Hello? I am praying that everything in here is okay. Hey everyone. Oh my gosh. Forgot I had this on. If you don't know what this is, it's a hair tie, but I received it along with a book and a few other items. So if you want to know more about it, check my previous video. I needed to make a separate video for this box because I have a lot to say. I'm so excited, and let's just get to it. I absolutely love Lauren Asher, and I cannot say this enough. She is an amazing writer, an amazing person, and I finally bought her books. I'm so excited because I have been wanting these books for a really long time now. I wanted the Dirty Air series for a super long time, and I kept entering giveaways. I kept getting unlucky, so I thought, you know what, let's just buy them already. I received an ARC for the fine print, which is the first book in the Dreamland Billionaires series, but when I saw the alternative cover, I was like, I need to get it. Also, Lauren Asher does personal signings, which are character messages, so I'm so excited to open up these books and read the messages that she writes from the character's perspective. I'm really terrified about this. I really hope it's okay. I'm really nervous. Really nervous. I kind of want to take a video of the box because obviously I need to film TikToks and IG Reels about this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let me take this hair tie off because I don't want to dirty it. And let's open this. All right. I can't wait to watch this back.
Hello. It's a good thing I came when I did, best friend.
What's up? I thought you were sleeping.
No. Sleep time's over now, man.
Okay. I was so excited, man. Okay, let's do this now. All right. So this is what the inside looks like. Thank you. Your purchase made my day. Ah, it's a bit damaged, bro. I'm sad. But like, this is the bookmark, the fine print, Dreamland Billionaires. Lauren Asher, let's go. It says, love with all your heart and show kindness in all your actions. I love that. It's like a little, I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bent at the top here. Oh my god, they're individually packaged in these pink. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a little damaged, but it's okay. The fine print by Lauren Asher, ladies and gentlemen. The message inside says, Jessica, love with all your heart. And then there's a heart and it says LA for Lauren Asher. Wait, you can't see that, can you? Okay, you kind of can. It says, Jessica, never let anyone stand in the way of your dreams, Zara. And then for Rowan, it says, especially not yourself. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. I'm a bit bummed that, like, literally, I don't know if you can see that, but the corners here are a bit damaged. Oh my gosh. Redeemed. Redeemed by Lauren Asher. Oh man, again, it's damaged. Like, that sucks. That the packet, like that sucks. Oh, I love this quote. Jessica, find beauty in chaos. And then the heart and LA for Lauren Asher. Oh my god, the message. Jessica, wait for the person who makes you feel like you're living in an 80s movie. Chloe. And then from Santiago, if you haven't met them yet, go trespass on someone's property. Santiago, yes. Oh my gosh, love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad it's like warped a bit and the corners again damaged, but wrecked. I love this book so much. Jessica, Dance in the Rain with the heart, and then it says LA for Lauren Asher. Oh my gosh, this book. What are the character messages? Jessica, remember no takebacks ever, Elena. Because life is too short to regret a bloody thing, Jax Kingston. Oh my gosh. I think this one's collided. Oh, this one's really warped. Oh my god, it's throttled even more warped. Damn. Yeah, it is. I'm so sad about that because I actually, like, I love those books so much. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That's so sad. But it's collided. I really liked collided. This one says, Jessica, chase after your dreams, with a heart, and it says Lauren Asher. I can't say this out loud. Oh my gosh. It says, Jessica, keep searching for the stars, Sophie. Or F the person you love under them. Leo Xander. Oh, no, 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 no. Now, I'm really sad about this one because I love this book so much, but seeing how these ones turned out, like, you can see the spacing and how it's, like, already, like, warped a bit. Throttled is gonna be warped as well. Yeah, like, look at that. Look at that. That's horrible. And I love Throttled. This breaks my heart. Like, honestly. Hold on, let's show you. Empty box. That's what it came like for me. So, look at that. Let me see if I can show you. That is so sad. I'm gonna cry. Not happy tears. But the message is so sweet. It says, Jessica, thank you for being such a big support. Love, LA, as in Lauren Asher. Oh, this one had... Oh. Jessica, don't stop searching for your knight in shining tux. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Don't stop searching for your knight in shining tux. XO, Maya. And if you find them, give them a second first impression. Noah Slade. I'm so sad it got destroyed. Oh man. That's such a bummer. Like, I don't even know what to do. Let me show you all the books. Like, yeah, you can see. It just gets progressively worse because of how the box was delivered. Yeah. Well, all these books are on my wish list, so if you want to send me another copy, feel free to do it. Just kidding. I'm just joking. Oh, even the bindings. Don't break down, Jess. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sad. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, please. Just give me a thumbs up for your love and support because I'm very sad about how they came in. And I saw the packaging TikTok because when you buy the books, you can customize your message. So I wrote this really long message, which you can see in the TikTok, which is kind of embarrassing because it's like, Jess, you're crazy. I said, you know, I'm so excited to finally be buying your books. If you can please include my name for the personalized message, and if you can please film a TikTok packaging my books and tagging me so I can share it on my platform. And Lauren Asher did that, and they looked great in the video. But as you can see, they did not arrive safely. So, oh, I love Throttled. And Wrecked is so good, but like literally, I don't know if you can see. Does it show on camera how like bad it is? How warped it is? I'm so sad. Look at them stacked. They're not flat. Look at that. You can see the space here, and then up here there's the space, and obviously you can see how it's... Oh, that looks so bad. Why? Throttled, Noah, Maya. I love this book. I love it. And it's dead. Absolutely dead. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What happened here? Anyways, yeah. No book was left untouched, which is very sad. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here before I start crying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell. Comment down below. Did I even say comment down below? Comment down below anything you want. And that's all. Until next time, I'll see you later.